Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn cybersecurity for beginners. First, grasp fundamental IT concepts such as networking, operating systems, and basic programming. Many free online resources, like YouTube tutorials and introductory courses from platforms like Coursera or edX, offer excellent starting points. Prioritize hands-on learning through virtual labs and practical exercises to solidify your understanding and build essential skills. Next, delve into key cybersecurity domains such as network security, application security, and incident response. Familiarize yourself with common attack vectors and defense mechanisms. Pursuing an entry-level certification, like CompTIA Security Plus, can validate your foundational knowledge and boost your resume. Remember to always practice ethical hacking in a controlled, legal environment to develop your offensive security skills responsibly. To truly excel, focus on building practical skills. Engage in Capture the Flag, or CTF, competitions to solve real-world security puzzles and test your abilities. Setting up a home lab, perhaps using virtual machines, provides a safe space to experiment with different tools and techniques without risking your main system. Contributing to open-source security projects can also offer invaluable experience and networking opportunities. Finally, actively network with other cybersecurity enthusiasts and professionals through online forums, local meetups, or industry conferences. This can open doors to mentorship and job opportunities. Research different career paths, such as security analyst, penetration tester, or incident responder, to find what aligns with your interests. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers and other deals to help you stay organized and fueled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.